everybody, so today I did a video on Kataluna Enriquez. She is Miss International Queen 2024. She's the first trans woman to compete in Miss USA. She's a beautiful girl. I was inspired by a couple photos that she has. So I dug a little deep, and one of the photos for hair was this right here. Love this side part on her and love this super soft wave that she has going on. With the makeup, found this beautiful gray smoky moment. I wanted to show this off. I also saw in this photo a little bit how she does this beautiful darkness. I don't know if she did this, of course, or if a makeup artist did this, but how she does this beautiful black towards the crease that's really blown, or towards the eyeline that's really blown out. Loved that, so decided to go a little bit with that. She's also a fabulous costume designer as well too. She has an Instagram page for that. Definitely recommend you check that out. But I just wanted to pay homage to her. Hopefully she can see how much she is appreciated. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, so we're starting out with the P. Louise eye pencil, the Oh So Browtiful Skinny Brow Pencil. I've just run out of this, so I will be using a different one soon. And then we're going to go into eyeshadow. I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Cremated eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going into the color Wednesday. And I'm just going to be blowing that out of the crease, kind of on the outer perimeter of the crease, and really dragging that up at an angle. And then I am going to apply the silver color on the lid. I did end up doing a darker color in the crease as well too after, but for the lid, if I'm not mistaken, it's the color Pall Bearer. And then I went ahead and put on the Danessa Myricks Milky Way Colorfix foils on top of it at the very end. On the inner corner for shadow, I did use Burning Ashes. If I am not mistaken, that's what it's called. Let me double check here. It is the lightest shimmer color in the palette. Diamond Ashes, sorry, my mistake. I was thinking Cremated, Burning Ashes. And then on the brow bone, I used Death Blow, which is the white color. For the black along the lash line and on the outer corner, I used Hearse. And I went ahead and continued deepening that area up with Gravedigger, and just really blending it out and smoking it out. It's very, very soft and hint of gray type look, you know what I mean? So I really liked how it turned out though. The white was a bit bright on the brow bone, so what I do if that's the case is I just take some, take a clean brush and blend the crease color up onto the brow bone, and that will tone it down and give an even further beautiful blend. Then, like I said, using that black color, Hearse, and for the Danessa Myricks color, it's this beautiful shimmery silver. I really recommend it. It's so stunning. I used my finger, I believe, for that, and I just went ahead and patted it on. It's lasted forever, so definitely gotta love that. I am using the Think Show Lashes Magnetic Eyeliner here, and then I will go ahead and curl my lashes, and I will put on the Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara, and I will be using the Think Show Lashes Serenade Magnetic Lashes, but the lashes, I kind of reached the end of its life, so it's not sticking as well, so I just put a little bit of glue on the inner and outer portion of the lashes. Then I used e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer on the face. I really like this. It gives a nice smooth, slick effect to the skin. Then I used the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer on my chin, my forehead, and under my eyes. And I just used a sponge for all of it. Sometimes I use my finger under my eyes. Sometimes I don't. This time I just used Beauty Blender sponge. I believe it's the Creme Shop and Hello Kitty Beauty Blender that I used this time. And I use for foundation the L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation, and I will apply that with a brush and then go over it with a sponge just to blend everything out. Then I use the the Makeup Revolution Light Ultra Cream Bronzer, and for blush I use the P. Louise Peach Puff Liquid Blush. For powder, I use the e.l.f. Light Halo Glow Setting Powder, but before I set with the loose powder, I apply some MAC Studio Fix powder all over my face, and I use the white color for Studio Fix under my eyes. For powder bronzer, I use the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Omega Bronze. For powder blush, I use the Sheglam Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush, which is one of my faves. For the hair, by the way, I did wand curls, and I believe it's a 1 2/5 inch curling iron, if I'm not mistaken. And how I get my curls, a lot of people ask me how I get my curls to look that way with wanding. The trick for me, this is just for me, and what I did when I worked as a hairstylist, is I take a regular curling iron. It's very important that it's the same width all the way down to the end of it. It can't taper or anything like that. It has to be the same width all the way down. And I just removed the clamp, and then you have yourself a wand. It's very hard to find wands that are made without a taper, so I just went ahead and bought a cheap curling iron. It's a Tony & Guy. I've had it for literally like 10 years. I used it when I was a hairstylist full-time. So it doesn't owe me anything, you know what I mean? But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that, and then I just go ahead and brush it out after, and it gives this beautiful soft wave. But anyway, for lips, I used all Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, the lip liner, the lipstick, and the lip gloss. It was nice, soft, effortless, and I used for the, that's the Creme Shop Celebrate Setting and Priming Spray. But anyway, that's the hairstyle there, and I hope you guys have a great day. Super easy. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means more to me than I can ever put into words. Have a great day. Bye.